morning. The time now is 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning and I'm currently in Oxford. I'm still so tired from last night. I could not understand how did I sleep through in hostels for 6 months. Half of last year I used to sleep in hostels. I still couldn't get it. I actually have been to Oxford back in 2019 when I was still a student. I came to Oxford and I think I had an interview or something like that. I don't remember. So much character. Look at that. Really posh for accommodation, don't you think? Look at that. Imagine staying there. Oxford is really big and lots of film are being filmed here. One of them is being Harry Potter, the Bridgerton. The tree is integrated into the building. Look at that. That building behind me is a ceremonial hall. So if there's any graduation or any important events, this building behind me is where it mostly happened. The roads are made out of stone. Everything's made of stone. Look at this one right here. This is so beautiful. This whole town is just, look, this is made out of stone. Like this is stone. And that is stone as well. Wow. Look at that. It's a different world. Everything you see here, it's like it's in a different world. It's like a real movie set. To be surrounded by all these ancient buildings is just insane. Everything is made out of stone. Wow. Circa 1606. I mean, how old can this place be? 1606. And here we are in the Natural Museum of Oxford, and that's a dinosaur right there. Japanese spider crab, world's largest living arthropod. Oh my god, look at how big is that? Could you imagine this thing coming up to your bed at night? You know what? All of this behind me will not exist in the Arctic. Trust me.